All right, so now we're going to go over how to create folders and documents within Google Drive. Now we could do that two ways. We could do it from our Windows Explorer, just like we would create a document or a folder on our computer. And then we're going to do it through Google Drive Online. So you have the knowledge of how to access that. So the first way we're going to do it is by our desktop application. So you can click Google Drive from your desktop or through Windows Explorer or however you have it set up. Once this opens, you have two ways on how you can actually add information here. Three ways. From the actual Microsoft Word or whatever, you can save into here just like you would save to My Documents. But within here itself, you can either click New Folder up here, which will populate a new folder instantly, or from in here, you can right-click and go to New. And then you have all these options of things that you can create in here. We're going to go ahead and do folder. It's up top. And let's name this test folder. So one of the things you'll notice are these blue arrows. Those blue arrows signify that it's actually syncing online, and it is now available on our online version of this as opposed to just on our desktop. All right, so now let's go ahead and say I want to share this folder. There's a couple ways you can do this. Well, from here, there's only one way. You can right-click, you'll find Google Drive, and then you can go to Share. When you pop up, if you have them already saved or if you've emailed them this before, it should populate pretty quickly. I'm going to go ahead and share this with, I'll do kmyers1 at houstonisd.org. And now that will share this with Kimmy Myers. All right. And so once you do that, you're going to just go ahead and hit send. It'll say sending, and then it's sent. It's done. It's been shared. She now has access to it. Again, if you always want to check, you can click share again. It says shared with one other person, so you can click that, and now it'll tell you who all it's shared with. You can change their access here. Is owner, can edit, or can view. And you could always add more people. So that's adding and sharing something through here. But let's say we want to do it online. There is another way to do it. So we're going to close out here. We're going to open Google Chrome. And the website you're going to go to is drive.google.com. Now I'm already logged in here, so it's going to go ahead and populate for me. Again, you should be logged in. We are using our work information for Google now. So now you can see all of a sudden that my test folder is already uploaded here. The little icon, you can see this icon has a person, a little figure in it, as these are blank. This means that this is shared with somebody. I can right click on it. I can view details. Over here it'll tell me Kimberly Myers is also shared with this. When I created it, activity, there's all kinds of information that I'll get here. But anyways, I'm kind of getting off here. So let's go ahead and assume that we want to create a folder within this right here. Over on the left-hand side here, you have new. So within here, you can either create a new folder, file upload, folder upload, or create one of these Google Docs, sheets, or slides. And then you have more options, which we'll get into later. So here you can create a folder. Let's call this folder 2. Oops, folder 2. And hit create. Now folder 2 has been populated in here. And I can go into there and add files here, whether I upload them or create them from within there. If I want to share from here, I can right click on it. I'll click share. And then again, I can go ahead and type names that I might want to add in here. And as I go through, it'll continue to add people, all right? And I'll send. And now those people have also been shared a folder to, and now the icon has changed to signify that it's being shared. If somebody shares a folder with you, it should come through your email notifying that somebody has shared a folder. The first thing you have to do in order to access a shared folder is log on to drive.google.com